introduce yourself.
Yes, I'm Benedict Ramos po, and I am sorry, ano ba yun?
Tapos ano yung name mo sa Kumu?
My name is Benedict Ramos, and I am Benedict Ramos on Kumu and on socials.
So, kamusta? Ano na yung nagawa ng Kumu sa'yo? Ilang years ka na bang nagkukumu?
Magti 3 years na rin po. Actually, Kumu Mansari ko rin today.
Ah,
Wow.
wow.
On this very day, 26 Kumu Mansari ko. I'm celebrating it with my Benedict squad and my solid Benedicts. Kaya natutuwa ako na nataon pa dito sa very historical moment. Yes, Kumu has helped me in so many ways. Specifically, kung nasaan ako ngayon, I really owe it to Kumu's platform. Yung from PBB campaign, after PBB, I got more known sa industry because of PBB, and mas daming opportunities na nagsisimputan after PBB, and that's because of Kumu. Kumu is really, sabi ko nga, the home of hopes and dreams.
Sabi nga marami na daw mga maraming na-invest through Kumu. Ikaw ano na na-invest mo through Kumu?
Nako, alam ko siguro ang na-invest ko sa Kumu is my career talaga. Kasi it's better than, for me, it's better than anything else. Para sa akin lang naman. My career is something that I really want to do. I'm really passionate about. Some of them nakakaingit din na may iba, nakapagbahay, nakapagsasakyan. Pero yes, nakapag-invest din ako ng car ko because of Kumu, and because of those opportunities that came after my PBB stint, and from Kumu, doon ako nag-start somehow masasabi ko na ang laki pala talaga ng pwedeng itulong ng platform na to sa mga tao.
Tapos ano yung ginagawa mong content ngayon? Ano yung abangang content? Ano yung mga current shows mo?
Ngayon po, I am in my theater era and music era. Meron po akong papalabas na mga songs under Star Music, and ngayon po we are doing, I just auditioned for Tabing Ilog the Musical, and hopefully abangan din po nila yon this year din po, yung Tabing Ilog the Musical.
How about yung acting? When was the last time? 40 days ba? Or
Love in 40 Days po yung last kong serye. And then after that, I've ventured into theater. Nag-theater po ako ang huling intro po the musical. And then after that, ito na, tatabing ilog naman ako ngayon. Tabing ilog the musical.
how is it working with Loini? Dun sa...
Wow, one of the most genuine and purest of all love teams out there. Kasi since siyempre sila, real life love team sila, like effortless talaga yung pagpapakita nila ng chemistry sa isa't isa, and sobrang sarap at gaan nila katrabaho. Like, nakakamiss nila.
Kung may ibubuko ka about Loini, ano ibubuko mo? Behind the scene.
Behind the scene. Siguro yung medyo takot si Loini kay Loisa.
Under?
Hindi naman under. Parang pag sinabi ni Loisa, isang tingin lang ni Loisa, alam na ni Ronnie yun. Kaya doon ako natutuwa sa kanila. Meron silang respeto talaga sa isa't isa.
And kumaga about kay Loisa and Loini, nakita mo ba yung sweetness talaga nila behind the scene kahit off?
Yes, of course. Na sobrang mas sweet pa nga sila. Minsan
Behind the scene.
Mas sweet pa sila behind the scene kaysa kapag may camera. Pag may camera, huwag kang dyan, masyadong madikit. Pero pag off cam, binubuko ko talaga sila. Pero doon ko kasi na-appreciate yung isang bagay. Yung even on and off cam, yung realness nilang dalawa, it's something na ma-appreciate ko. Tapos sila, hindi porket silang dalawa lagi magkasama. Pwede magkahiwalay sila and being connected with everyone else.
Sabi nga daw, dito sa Kumu, hindi lang yung investment yung nakuha nila, love life. Ikaw ba wala kang nakukuhang love life sa Kumu?
Alam mo, masasabi ko na lang yun talaga, sana all. Ako kasi nakita ko kasi talaga yung Kumu as a platform for friendship din talaga. Mas marami ako nakilala mga kaibigan, mga friends sa Kumu. And I'm just grateful.
Benedict, tanong ko lang, kumusta kayo ng mga batchmates mo sa
PBB.
My batchmates, ngayon, sobrang hirap ng mga
Schedule.
pagtagpuin ng mga schedule namin eh. Pero right now, I am with Jordan and Ian over here inside this event room. And nakakamiss silang lahat. Hindi man nagkakatagpo yung mga oras namin. Pero paminsan-minsan, nag-select Lately, nakakasama ko siguro talaga si Jordan. Kasi siya yung kasama ko sa dalawang musical na Ang Huling Ending mo at saka ngayon, Tabing Ilog na nakakatas ng workshop namin doon. Siya pa rin yung kasama ko.
Pressure ba on your part? Sino ka doon sa Tabing Ilog? Sila John Lloyd ba? O si ano?
Okay, about that, roles will be revealed very soon. Wala pa kaming first about it, pero it will be revealed very
Pero under ano yun? Under what production?
It's a collaboration between PETA and
ABS.
Star Magic. ABS.
Pero ikaw personally, alam mo na sino ka doon.
Yes po. And I'm just gonna say na the character that I'm going to portray here, I'm going to play in this musical is very challenging and fun.
Pero mas probably isa nga doon sa character nung ano.
So, Fonzie yan. Ay, bigla. So, si Fonzie.
We'll see about that.
Sino ba yung mga kasama mo? Pwede mo na ba i-reveal yung mga iba?
Meron na po sa PETA. You can follow PETA Plus or PETA Theater or Star Magic and they can reveal the announcements very soon. But in the meantime, we have characters na available na. Sila George, Eds, Rovic, Fonzie, Corinne, Andoy, and the other one, I forgot.
So hindi ka muna mag-acting ngayon? Talagang focus ka sa theater ngayon?
Yes, which is a combination of both. Acting, music, and dancing. That one. Yun na kasi ng discipline talaga sa theater. I feel like this is really an investment sa career ko as an actor. To invest in trainings like this, yung discipline and then yung skills talaga.
So please invite them na i-follow yung Kumu account mo and then yung play.
Yes po.
Yeah.
I'm inviting everyone po to please follow my Kumu account, Benedict Ramos, and on all of my social media platforms. And of course, abangan niyo po yung mga announcement about Tabing Ilog, the musical, very soon.
And please congratulate Kumu on his 5th year.
Oh, of course, yes. So congratulations, Kumu, my home, my family. Kumu, happy anniversary to you. You know that I'm always here to be in this platform. And gaya na lagi kong paulit-ulit na sinasabi, Kumu is my home of hopes, my personal hopes and my personal dreams. This is where I started.
Thank you, Benedict.
Thank you.